Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Devdas from the Akasha Yoga Academy. We're going to be exploring this little short pranayama and asana to align and center and connect with your own inner energy. So come join us for the ride. Let's get started. So the first exercise I'd like you to do, I feel like in centering, sometimes even the physical centering is so powerful. So let's just start in standing. Hold your hands together at your heart center. As you inhale, long, slow, deep inhale, the hands go up towards the sky. Pause for a moment at the end of that. Exhaling, slowly come back to heart center with the hands just gently touching. Then inhaling again. And find your own breath rhythm here. It might be slower than my movement. It might be faster than my movement. But the movement is connected to the full, slow, deep breath. And we're finding ourselves with every inhalation and every exhalation returning back into this beautiful gesture of balance and of centering. Really enjoy the breath, enjoy the movement, enjoy the fullness and that magical connection of the breath and the body. And your next time that your hands come to heart center, just drop your hands down by your sides, palms facing forward. Close the eyes, relax the body, center in the heart. This is mountain pose, mountain Tadasana, still and stable, strong, present, but relaxed, centered. And when you're ready, you can just slowly blink open your eyes, and we'll transition into a seated posture that can be in a chair or on the floor or whatever feels good for you. But find a nice, comfortable seat. And we're going to do what's called samavriti. Samavriti means box breath. It's an even inhalation, an even hold, an even exhalation, and an even hold. If you know that you're pregnant, you can just practice deep breathing without the hold. But other than that, let's jump right in. If you know it, go ahead and get started. Otherwise, I'll speak you through the first few rounds. So the first thing to do is just give a long, nice exhalation and then slow, deep inhale. If you know Ujjayi breath, you can add the ocean sound. Otherwise, just long, slow, deep inhale. At the top, hold the breath. And then long, slow, deep exhalation. At the end of the exhale, hold the breath. Long, slow, deep inhale. At the end of that, hold the breath. Long, slow, deep exhale. Hold. Inhale. And now find your own breath rhythm. It should be as slow as it can be for you and have the breath be comfortable and relaxed. There should never be any moment where the breath feels forced. It should be rather relaxed and controlled and feel good. So find that smooth, even flow of breath, both on the inhalation and on the exhalation. And keep the body nice and relaxed during the hold of the breath. If you can, just keep the eyes closed, body relaxed, and let the breath just begin to move in this beautiful box pattern, but in a very natural and a very soft way. Just stay with the feeling, stay with the breath. If you find yourself struggling for breath, you can always pause for a minute, let the breath return to normal, but otherwise keep with this long, slow, deep breath in this beautiful box or square shape where the holds are the same length as the inhale and exhale. And the next time that you finish an exhalation, just let the breath return back into its normal rhythm. And now there's nothing to do, nothing to achieve. Just relax. Just be. Come fully into this present moment. And just be here with yourself. And thoughts here are just like passing clouds. Just let them float by, relaxing in the spaciousness of your own heart and being. And when you're ready, let's take a moment and just bring our hands to heart center. Just take a moment for one last little centering exercise here, which is the practice of gratitude. Just envision anything in your life which you're profoundly grateful for. That can be a relationship, a friendship, that can be your work situation, your family situation, or it can be something totally impersonal. It can be the clouds or the sky or the sensation of the sun on your skin or anything that you feel profoundly grateful for. Trees, air, life. And then let that feeling of gratitude come out of your mind and into your body. And feel like every cell of your body is just expressing this natural gratitude. Thank you, coming from every cell of your being. And in the realm of gratitude, let me take a moment to say thank you. Such a joy to be here with you. If you like, please subscribe or click the like button. And we hope to see you very soon here again in the heart. Thank you.